the top 10. These are the only trades you need to know about today, starting with number 10 and Facebook. Shares of the social media company continuing the climb in the pre-market, up almost 20% from its all-time low, as its new advertising strategy is said to be more effective than Google's by partners of companies who use Facebook to promote their organizations. Dom?
Yeah, number 9, Werner, Betty. Werner Enterprises, a trucking company. It reported third-quarter earnings below analyst estimates. It validates Jefferies' decision to cut truckload estimates here. The company also downgraded at J.P. Morgan, Citi, and elsewhere. So, again, it's the outlook that matters here, Josh.
And number 8 is DeVry, the for-profit education company, trading higher in the pre-market after it announced that it's expecting to report student enrollment growth in October as the company looks internationally to boost enrollment. Betty.
And at number 7 is a company called Western Digital. That is the largest hard disk drive maker, has cut its forecast for sales and market size in the quarter as the company faces muted demand for personal computers. This announcement adds to evidence that PC demand is faltering ahead of the all-important holiday season. Alex?
And coming in number 6, J.P. Morgan, the Wall Street giant whose shares fell as much as 24% after disclosing a multi-billion-dollar trading loss in May, has now erased that decline. Now, while share prices may have recovered to their earlier levels, the derivatives bet that led to those losses is still the focus of a Senate investigation. Josh?
And number 5, not a stock, but oil. The commodity has broken above $100 per barrel in New York for the first time since May, but has now fallen back below that mark. The rise caused by the Fed's promise to add further economic stimulus and also tensions in the Middle East. Betty.
And a retailer makes it to your number 4, Staples. The office supply chain is reporting that private equity firms, including Bain Capital, considering buying the company. A Morningstar analyst, though, calls the purchase a, quote, low probability event given the size of the deal. Staples' market value is about $8 billion.
Yeah, Betty, number 3 is going to be Apple, the world's biggest company. The International Trade Commission is issuing a final decision today that may result in a ban on U.S. imports of iPhones from its suppliers. The commission is reviewing a judge's finding that Apple infringed patents owned by Google's Motorola mobility unit. Alex.
Coming in at number 2, Google. The internet company is moving forward with its plans to provide Kansas City neighborhoods ultra-fast internet service through a fiber optic network. Once completed, Kansas City residents will have access to internet speeds about 100 times faster than the average U.S. connection. Betty.
And what makes it to your number 1 stock is Zynga, or who makes it? The online gaming company is hiring a former online gambling executive as it makes a push to offer real money wagering this coming year. Zynga believes that looser regulations in the U.S. will allow it to capitalize on the demand to place real bets online.